Welcome back to SRC.
It's Science Week.
And today we'll be reading Georgia's Terrific Colorific Experiment by Zoe Peresco.
And we'll also be doing baking soda and vinegar craters, so stay tuned.
Today we'll be reading Georgia's Terrific Colorific Experiment by Zoe Peresco. And this book is published by RP Kids. If you'd like to listen to Georgia's Terrific Colorific Experiment, click the link in the description below.
Hey guys, today we are doing baking soda and vinegar craters, so let's get started.
For this experiment, we will need these resources. So to start off, baking soda, which I've poured out onto a cookie sheet, eyedroppers, white vinegar, which I've put into these 3 little cups, paste or normal food coloring. If you're using paste, you can use the toothpicks to stir in the paste. Once that is stirred together, you're going to use the eyedroppers and then begin to add the vinegar to the baking soda and watch as the reaction happens. If you don't have access to these eyedroppers, you can use a straw and use a suction with your finger to put the vinegar onto the baking soda. You can also just pour on the vinegar to the baking soda, but you have to be very careful to not spill it.
Alright you guys, we just did our baking soda vinegar craters. Hope you guys had fun and tried at home.
Thanks for tuning in!